Nginibingelele lonke balaleli ngasemakhaya. Iqembu kwele Economic Freedom Fighters-ke liholwa-ke ubaba-ke uJulius Malema ukhiphe isitatimende sokuthi-ke uzovakashela ibandla lamaNazaretha-ke ngomhla ka-14 June 2025 eLinda Ntonga laphana-ke kwaNongoma. Lo mholi-ke uzovakashela leli bandla kokuqala ngqa emlandweni. Khumbula ukuthi sihlezi siwabona amanye amaqembu ezepolitiki evakashela-ke yena-ke uShembe. Lokhu-ke kusemlandweni ngoba-ke ubaba uJulius Malema oyindoda engancethezi futhi engacheme nabani, futhi engingaboni ukuthi ingaguqela uShembe. Kodwa-ke namhlanje sizobona kubaba uJulius Malema-ke eya laphana-ke enkosini yamaNazaretha uNyazi lwezulu-ke kwaNongoma. uNyazi-ke loke lakhuluma-ke ngaye-ke ubaba uJulius Malema ngaphambilini ngesikhathi-ke se-COVID-19. Engathi-ke lwalazi ukuthi-ke ubaba uJulius Malema uzobe evakashe-ke kuleli bandla. Sike sithathe-ke yona-ke ividiyo la uNyazi khona lukhuluma khona-ke ngaye kubaba uJulius Malema.
Ngiyacela-ke ungamoshi isikhathi kuba nangu ikhathile umfoka Malema uyakazizwa ukugijima ubani lendoda oRamaphosa kubiza amaphoyisa kubiza amasosha. Bonakele manje fanele sisheshe sambe ke thina kwasona amasosha sona amaphoyisa sisindise impilo zethu. Hayi lo mfana uhlale ngembuzi hayi uphume into eqale yapholishwa sisuthuli umbayimba into akazi ziphuma. Hayi lo mfana hayi asazi
Well-ke ilona-ke uNyazi lwezulu kade-ke likhuluma-ke ngaye-ke ubaba uJulius Malema, nesizwile-ke uNyazi limvuma-ke ubaba uMalema. Asazi-ke ukuthi-ke ngomhla ka-14-ke yini ayizele ubaba uMalema kulona uNyazi.
Save lives. You are required to go out and save the lives of the 57 million South Africans who live within the borders of our country. A lot rests on your shoulders. As the soldiers of our country, you took an oath that you will be faithful to the Republic of South Africa and that you will defend the people of South Africa and that you will subscribe to the highest values that are inscribed in our Constitution.